Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss CVC pattern with short E, A, and I sounds. What is CVC means? It means consonant, vowel, and consonant. So let's look at what does it mean. CVC words are three-letter words that follow a consonant, vowel, and consonant pattern. The CVC words are words with the short vowel sound, just like cat, bed, and pig. Now let's read short A, E, and I words. Short A, mat, ram, far, bag, and mad. Short E, bet, fed, red, gem, 10. Short I, pit, mix, dim, hid, and lip. Now let's try reading it in a sentence. Dad and Bob clean the car. He is my brother. He put his toy in a box. Teen read books on her bed. My family had fun staying at home together. The words that are underlined are the CVC words. Hooray! We have learned CVC. See you soon!